hungry. Gutom na siya. So, ayan. Malapit na. Last one.
Top for daddy. Top for daddy. Top for daddy.
Papa.
Daddy.
Papa.
Little girl.
Ayan. Ito na yung last. Okay, sit here now. Come on. Here. Here. Here, Papa. Here. Go to your papa. Come on. Here. Bah. Natalo ka ng anak mo, no? Si TJ nanalo. Tapos na kami dun sa golf, mini golf. How was it, Kuya?
Good.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, I do a hole in one.
I know.
Hole in one?
Yes. One shot. Tingnan nyo guys, yung kinagat sa akin ni Holly. Ayan, oh. Nakita nyo ba? Ayan yung kagat ni Holly, oh. Kanina, doon sa mini golf. Ayan, oh. Kinagat niya ako habang karga ko siya. So, yun. Maghahanap lang kami ng place na makakainan. Kasi wala pa kaming kain. Wala kaming breakfast. Anong oras na na? I know. 3 hours, Baba. So, yan.
We have a slow.
Yes. Where's Holly? Hi, Holly. What's that flower? The flowers, Baba. Ginawa ni Saf yung garlic bread na yun. Naguto na siya. Kumuha siya ng garlic bread dun sa food na yun.
It'll be hot. It's hot. Just sit there. It's hot. It's hot.
Blow? Hot. Blow, Baba. Blow. Blow, Baba. Blow. Okay, blow. Blow. Good girl. Blow, Baba. It's hot.
Josie? Thank you.
Oh, wow. That's big.
That's big.
That's
And one medium spaghetti pizza.
over there.
Are they sharing that?
Can we have extra? Here. You can have this one. Okay, thank you.
Does that get his own here?
Oh, spaghetti. One, two. I get the small one, so you can have it.
I reckon there's another one coming.
You think so?
Made a dead amount. One more.
No, that's it.
Mom.
Only one. That's it.
One? Okay. Okay, Kuya.
Oh.
It goes Aki.
Hot, mate. It's very hot.
Thank you. Okay.
Enjoy.
Yep. Thank you. Good.
Wow.
Pa?
Oh, sorry, I was saying a few delis back there, they looked like they were all shut. I seen you put your indicator on, you looked at that one on this side too, didn't you?
Oh. Got another place?
You want another piece?
What do you?
Oh, I'm nearly done.
Wipe your face. Good girl. Here. Good girl. Data?
I reckon at home, mate, that lasagna would have gone right too. I'm really going to get
Opo.
one.
Kinuha na ni Saki yung ating
Give us some.
carbonara. Here. Opo.
That one's faster.
Here, Baba. Opo. Come on. Opo.
Sit down, Baba.
Good job. Oh, sorry. There you go, Joe. Si TJ naubos niya yung pizza. Si Sak may tira pa siyang 1.5 tapos kinuha niya na yung carbonara. Marami siyang garlic.
Oh.
Holly. Tapos na sila kumain. Wait for your mom. Are you done? What do you want? Okay, try it. No, Holly. Okay, we're going now. We're done. We're done, Papa. We're done. Done. Face. Wipe your face now. Ayan, nag-face na siya. Okay, good girl. Stop. Okay, let's go. Ayan, tapos na kaming breakfast/lunch kasi ano na, mag-1 o'clock na. So yeah, very nice pizza here. Ayan, so, say bye! Open! Open! Say bye!
I had a big one on that side.
Live across Australia, let's
No, I
do a
didn't
new
hear
entry.
this.
Some of the
Live is
highest
one.
that's still to come. Right now,
You buy
this
it.
is from a man who could well
I
be
did,
described
Bev.
as 2017's
Yeah, that was
breakthrough
good.
artist.
I
He
know.
didn't overstate from last year. Consistently spent over 6
So you're right,
months
Bev.
on songs
I don't need to
It's
move
a
my
brand new
head.
entry. Debuts at 12. Here's
Yeah.
Love Lives from Khalid
Yeah.
on the Global 40 at
Pinag-uusapan namin yung goal.
Show me my swing back.
You what? It's on your phone, Bev.
No, the other one looks good, that Carl Lewis.
Yeah, that one. Well, next time, next year. Tinatawag nila yan na elephant wrap. I don't know. Why, Han? Why elephant wrap? Is it? Mukha ba siyang elephant? Hindi kaya. Para lang siyang chocolate chips. Yeah. So, can we drive or just walk? No. May ano dyan, may malaking, parang sinkhole ba yun? Sinkhole yun, Beb, no?
Huh?
What's that one? The big gap. Okay. Yeah, nagda-drive na kami. We've been driving an hour and a half. Yung mga bata, ayan. Tulog na. Busog na busog. And pagod na pagod. O, yan sila. So, yeah. How many hours left, honey, before we get home? 2? 2 hours? Another 2 hours. Para makarating sa bahay. So, yun. Say hi, Beb. Beb, say hi. Yun lang. Ganun lang ang may bibigay niya dito sa vlog. Hi. Yan si Holly gising na. Hi, Holly. Say hi. Hi. Yung boys tulog pa din. So, siguro mga 1.5 or 1.5 hours. Ayan, pinakita ko lang si Holly kasi nagising na siya. Sila kuya tulog pa din, no? Tayo mo si TJ. Nagising si TJ pero bumalik ulit siya sa pagkatulog. Siya pagod na pagod, oh. Say hi, Holly. Hi. What, Bab? Gusto niyang is it? Lampasan yung friend niya kasi nauuna na sila Sophie. So gusto niya maghanap siya. So do you know where to get out? Diba? Ayan, nagising na si Zach. Hi, Zach. At si Kuya. Ayan, gising na lahat. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung maabutan namin sila Sophie. So dito kami mag-shortcut. Diyan, dito na lumiko. We'll see. Good luck to us.
And then the car comes right behind.
Halaga.
Now that's, oh no, that's
May police. May police doon. Say hi. Are you thirsty? You want something to drink?
My neck hurts.
Your neck? Yeah, because you've been sleeping like this, Kuya. Do you want something to drink? How about you, Sak? Do you want to drink? You want water? Painumin ko muna sila. Here, Kuya. Here's Sak. Gonna say? Thank you. Okay.
dollars for that.
So, ayan guys. Hinihintay na lang namin sila kung
Now where to go? He had to stop, didn't he?
so ngayon tatawagan namin kasi wala pa sila. Ayan, kasi
One anyone's going to pressure.
oh yeah, babe. Maybe they stopped, Beb. Are you ready to go home? Boys?
Mom.
Yes. What's that, Papa? Oh, but... Oh, honey, you're too loud.
Alright. Just at the post office around that roundabout.
Ayan, tinatawagan na. So, yan. Holly,
Hi.
say hi. Where's your arms? Put your arms.
I'm hungry.
Wala pa sila. Yes, Papa.
Mommy,
What's that?
I'm hungry.
Wala pa
I'm
sila.
hungry, Mom.
Ha?
I will lollies, please.
Yes. Holly.
Mom. Mom.
Yeah.
Mom. It's
Yeah.
lollies.
Give some for Holly. Oh, the lollies are at the box. Give some for Holly, please. Holly, what's wrong? Tawag niya. What's that, Holly?
Did Mr. Water? Mr. Water.
Water?
Please.
Ayan na. Ayan na sila, oh. Ayan na. Yeah, they're here. Ayan na. Is this holidays really fun? Oh yeah.
I like the tornado.
You like the tornado, but you haven't been there.
I'm half of that.
Yeah,
Oh,
maybe
Oh,
maybe in
every of them, I'm half.
yes. That's why you have to eat vegetables.
Dad said, do your tippy toes.
No, you're not allowed
That's
to.
cheating.
That's right. That's cheating.
Dad, let me do that for Manila on that blue slide.
In Manila,
Yeah.
that's cheating, Kuya. That's cheating. So did you cheat in Manila?
Yeah, Dad, let me do that.
Oh, bad daddy. Wag niyong gayahin, ha? Where's
Except
Ollie?
for now, I'm allowed on a tornado.
No, you're not because
I'm
too
allowed on
small.
a blue slide. No, Ma,
yes.
7, I might be allowed on a tornado.
We'll see. Depends on your height. How about Holly?
Mom, I want the eyes. I want the heights on the blue slide.
The blue slide, the one you went with Daddy.
Yeah.
You like it?
And you?
Yes.
My dad's not there in the orange one.
No, the orange one's not scared, but the blue one is really dark.
And drop down.
I know, like.
I like that.
Ah.
But
How about Holly? What rides did you like?
yeah. Oh,
The
Mom.
carousel one.
Mom.
Yes.
That blue slide gold rush.
Mm-hmm.
The orange.
The
I like
orange.
the orange, but I like
Nagkikwento rin si Holly.
I like
what,
the blue.
what story do you have, Holly? What? Oh, alright. Okay.
She did the dance story.
Did you like the carousel, Holly? The horsey? Yes. Give her more, Kuya, please. Say ta. Say ta. Say ta. Huh? Who's gonna go first? Them? Pero naano natin sila. Naunahan namin sila dahil dun sa shortcut. Ayan. Baba. Yeah, that's Joe.
Say hi.
What are you doing? More daw, Kuya TJ, more. Say
Wow.
ta. Chips. Say ta. Ta? Kuya Sak. Pass it, please, Kuya Sak. Say ta. Say ta. Ta. You're a cheeky girl. Drive. What's going on there, boys and girls? Bye-bye. Hi. Go drums.
River runs dry. River runs dry.
Yan
15 kilometers to.
Yes. What happened? What happened, Baba? Oh. Okay, drums, Baba, drums.
Oh, like this, Holly. Look. This.
Look at Kuya Saki.
Holly. Holly.
Ding, ding, ding. Where's the music done? Come on, Ollie. Ollie. Boom. Dance, Ollie. Kumakanta si Sak. Yes. Yes. Drums. Finish. Dance, Ollie. Nag-stop kami dito sa service station para kumuha ng drinks. What do you get, Sak? What did you get?
Parrot. Mom,
Yes.
don't Dad have, but you bought this on the floor.
Yeah. Give it to Dad so Dad can put it in the bin.
Hey, Dad.
Dad, put it in the bin,
They'll
please.
do it later.
Oh, later daw. Okay.
When you get home.
Where's Kuya? Let me see what you get, Baba.
He got Parrot.
Powerade. What flavor? Lemon?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, put your
I
seatbelt.
am Black Parrot.
Okay, put your seatbelt, Baba. Last stop na namin to. Then dire-diretso na ba? Papuntang Mount Gambier. Andun sila. Ayan. Ayan si Kuya.
You didn't drink it. Have a drink.
Ayan si Kuya.
Joe, get up that and leave.
Oh, he's gonna have milk kasi yung boys ko meron silang Powerade. What you gonna say?
Huh?
What you gonna say? What you gonna say? What you gonna say? Ta
Milk.
means thank you. Okay, close the door, Kuya, because the sun. Mwah.
Bye.
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 High five. Okay, close. Slide. Knuckles. Knuckles. Shake, shake.
Shake.
Good girl.
Bye.
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 Okay. Holly, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Ayun. Painom nga nito. Kay sakto. Yung laro nila, oh. What? Dali ko sa... Hindi sila bored. Are we home, Sak?
Yes.
Okay, let's close the vlog.
Bye.
No?
Bye.
Yeah, we're home. Okay, guys, we're home. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog.
Bye.
Bye, Holly. Bye. Bye, Dad.
Me who you see, 'cause I think